Hey guys, welcome. I'm Kavya. Hope you all are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you 25 winter outfit ideas. I'm also going to style most of the pieces from my haul videos which I posted earlier, just so you get an idea of how to style them as well. For the first outfit, I chose this black turtleneck, which is so useful during winters. I'm going to show you different ways to style this. For the first style, I paired it with this black leather joggers. If you have a pear-shaped body like me and you are not comfortable to wear leather pants, then you can definitely go for joggers like these because they don't stick to your body but look stylish at the same time. Then I wore this neon crop top to add some color to otherwise boring colors of winter. This crop top says it's a beautiful day to leave me alone, and I love it. Coming to accessories, I wore this silver watch on top of the sleeves itself. I love that look and then chose this simple silver hoops. Completed the look with sneakers and at last added a fanny bag. This is a totally different style for me because I always wear girly stuff, but I actually love how it turned out. And here's to embarrassing myself to create an Instagram transition. Please ignore what I did here. Next, I switched the joggers with this black jeans. Also, if you have double chin like me, then I suggest you to fold the neck twice as it looks much better on us. Then layered it up with this jacket, which I love by the way. It's so thick and warm and oversized as well. This layered lock chain is so trending these days, and I'm going to wear this chain and a pair of hoops for every outfit because I believe fashion shouldn't be expensive. You must invest in some basic pieces which you can style with many outfits. This way you will be able to save more and also look fashionable at the same time. Completed the look with black boots which has this cool pattern at the back, and I love them. Lastly, went with this black sling bag which also has some golden detailing on it so that our complete outfit looks cohesive as we are going for golden accessories. But I don't believe in not pairing gold and silver together. You actually try this once, they look so cool together. And even this look is so unusual for me. For mild winters, you can remove the jacket as well. Moving on, for the third look, I stole my brother's hoodie and wore it on top of the turtleneck because look at that print. It's so cute. I actually chose this for my brother. That is why it's cute. Tucked it in and kept that gold chain inside the hoodie itself and adjusted it in a way that only the first layer of the chain, that is only the heart pendant, will be visible. This way you can style your chains in different ways and make them look different, but nobody else knows that it's the same chain. Cool, no? Wore the sneakers and I like how the sneakers look when paired with these jeans. Now I'm gonna show you guys a trick that I learned from an Instagram video. Basically, the trick is to turn your sling bag into a backpack, as you can see in the video. It actually worked, you guys, but it will look better if the belt of your sling bag is a little long. It depends on your design of your bag, but definitely try it out. As this jeans is not skinny, it looks like a bootcut, but it's not. And teaming it up with this oversized hoodie makes it the most comfortable outfit. Now this is my style, you guys. Anything which is cute or girly, that outfit makes my day. I just love this outfit so much. I switched the jeans with this leather skirt which I got from a thrift store, which she got from Shein. Yes, if you want, you can get Shein clothes from thrift stores in very rare cases though. I wore this red cold shoulder top and tucked it in. It has pearl detailings on the sleeves, and I love how the black turtleneck peeks through those sleeves. And here comes my favorite item, the red boots. If you don't know already, I love boots, and I bought these red ones to have some pop of color in my outfits. Even though these have big heels, they are super comfortable and soft. Took this red bag to go with the boots. I love the combination of black and red. I wear these colors together quite often. Black turtleneck with skirts, I just love the pair. My mom got this from an exhibition. When she got it, I complained that it looks old-fashioned and never used to wear it. Now that I'm experimenting to make these videos, I have grown to love this skirt more because it looks so elegant with whatever you pair it up with. Also, maybe I became chubby and skirts are more comfortable now. First, I thought of styling it with this silver necklace, but I felt like it was too much for this outfit. Then I went for the smaller version of the necklace. This one has red and orange kundans in it, which adds a little bit of color to that black top. And then the gorgeous silver earrings. You can never go wrong with silver jewelry. You can also style the same top and jewelry with a sari instead of a skirt, and it will look so gorgeous. Completed the look with black boots and this black sling bag, which again has red and orange colors on it, which goes well with our necklace. If you remember, I said that I don't mind pairing gold and silver tones together. Here you go, this bag has gold tones while I'm wearing oodles of silver jewelry. I love how this outfit looks when paired with boots. It's such a lovely contemporary look, and whenever we wear flowy skirts, twirling is must. I seriously wish I can wear this outfit and go out, but we shouldn't because of the situation outside. I really hope that everything goes back to normal very soon, and here's to embarrassing myself again. Okay, moving on. I now paired the turtleneck with this black formal pants, and tada! It's not a formal outfit. Wore this beautiful black chikankari kurti on top of it, and it's a sheer kurti. Took this cute elephant choker and placed it on the high neck. Chokers look so good with the turtlenecks too. And to go with the choker, I'm adding these cute elephant earrings. Everything elephant except the ring. Open my hair up but not completely, in a way that my earrings are visible. Completed the look with this black pointed toe heels and the same sling bag. Listen, this kurti has beautiful work going on all over it, and it would be shame if we cover it up with a sweater or cardigans during winter. So instead we can wear a contrasting or same color knitted top or thermal inside. If you have to attend some functions and wear some beautiful kurtas, you can definitely go for this, as the kurta will not get covered up and you can still keep yourself warm. Instead of turtleneck, you can also wear a deep necked sweater inside. Lavender. Why do I feel like I'm betraying pink? I paired a lavender turtleneck with lavender formal pants and tucked it in. This outfit is for days where you don't want to put too much efforts in your outfit and yet want to look unique. Just go for any monochromatic look that is not black or white. Of course, complete black and white outfits look great, but if you go for colors like these, you just look amazing. Colors affect my mood a lot, and colors like these definitely cheer me up. Just look at how stunning the outfit looks without any efforts. I just didn't want to get out of this outfit. I love it too much. Sorry, pink. It looks polished, sophisticated, and stylish at the same time. And if you noticed, I'm still wearing that gold chain and gold hoops for every outfit. Of course, except for the kurta and the skirt. Those are for days when you want to show more love towards silver jewelry. Okay, now please get out of this outfit, Kavya. Not so soon. Here's another monochrome idea. Monochrome doesn't mean you have to wear all things with exact color. You can go with different tones of the same color family. Here, I wore this purple top as an additional layer, and those tie-up things at the neck were supposed to be in a bow, but I just left them like that because they look different. Wore the same black boots and black bag. You see how versatile turtlenecks and black boots can be. I'm trying my best to show how to style a single item in many ways so that you can understand how you can make most of your clothes which are already lying in your cupboard. I understand that not everyone might like this outfit, but I'm showing this for them who loves to experiment and wanna look unique. This is love. These colors are made for each other. Looks like I didn't betray pink after all. This combination always reminds me of candies and ice creams. Tuck this turtleneck only at the front in a U shape, and it doesn't have to be neat. The more messy it is, the cute it looks. At least that's my preference, because everything here is so easy breezy. It makes this outfit more comfortable. Just look at the color combination, you guys. Paired with the black boots again and the sling bag. Didn't pull my hair out of the bag's belt, as we are going for a messy but cute look. Again with the twirling. This looks like an Italian style to me. Tell me if I'm wrong. I think it looks cute and cool at the same time. Next one is again for those who wants to experiment. I wore this white cold shoulder top and tucked both the tops in. Because it is a ruffled top, like it has tires, when you tuck the last part in, it kind of looks like a crop top and doesn't look like you have tucked it in. I like the color palette of this outfit and how the lavender color is peeking through the cold shoulder and the sleeves. Switch my boots to these nude heels and a dusty pink sling bag. I wanted everything to be pastel, like no dark colors. Let me know what you think about this experiment. I'm too liking it. For the next outfit, I actually wore a t-shirt from my night suit. It says I make my own luck and I love it too much to waste it by wearing only at home. Paired it with a wide leg blue jeans. The reason why I chose this t-shirt is that it has these yellow pipings at the neck and I thought it will go well with this yellow jacket. Yellow and olive is such an unusual yet cool combination. Wore my sneakers and completed the look by choosing this green backpack. I love the print on it. I chose this because it goes with our outfit's color theme as it has both yellow and green in it. I have this bag since ages. It's actually my go-to bag. I love how the entire look turned out. It's casual, cool, and also cute in its own way. Actually, it's great for college-going girls. Unfortunately, I never went to college. For the next outfit, I wore this white crop top and black jeans, layered it up with this awesome trench coat. People who don't like too long or oversized coats can actually go for coats like these, which are about knee length and are cinched at the waist to have a defined look. This is one way to style it with just boots and bag. It is so appropriate for offices as well. Using the same items, we are going to change it up a little bit by adding this black muffler. I folded it in half and placed it on top of the t-shirt. This way it looks like a black monochrome outfit with pop of purple, but actually it is not a monochrome outfit. I placed the muffler in an overlapping manner. This outfit looks so polished to me. Both the first and second versions are too good. If you want, you can add a waist belt as well, but this trench coat already has a proper structure to it, like it is cinched at the waist, so I didn't feel the need to add a waist belt, but you can definitely go ahead and add it. And also we have a lot of purples in this video. Next, I wore this pretty black top. I love the neck of it and also the ruffles at the sleeves. It has this tie up things at the front and I love the floral print on it. Tucked it in and wore this grey blazer. Sometimes our coats and cardigans get boring because most of them are simple, right? So you can wear a statement or unique top like this inside so that you look different. First, I wore these brown loafers because the top has some brown on it, but I didn't like the look of it and then switched to black pointed toe heels. These look much better as our legs peek through a little, giving an elongated look. And loafers or such closed shoes are actually good to wear in winters because they cover your toes. Took my black sling bag and that's it. Grey and black are plain colors, but we are making them different by adding a statement top. This way you can also make your boring blazers. Sorry for that, I actually love blazers, but just to add that girly touch, you can try this trick out. With the same top, I styled this denim jumpsuit. This jumpsuit has ruffled detailings as well, like our top, and they go so well with each other. Pull the ruffle part of the top out of the neck of the jumpsuit. How cute does this neck part look? Took a muffler, place it as we normally do, but instead of pulling my hair completely out, I just pulled it slightly so that it looks like short hair. Of course, only from the front, but it looks cute. Added a waist belt. Look how just adding the belt pulled our entire look together. And then I tied those thingies at the front into a bow. Guess what I chose for the footwear? Of course, boots. Winter is the only time I can wear them, so why not go all out? This hair reminds me of Samantha's hair in Oh Baby movie. Just saying, don't get mad. I wish I can cut my hair that short. I just made up this outfit then and there. Didn't think it would look this nice. I just love it so much. It looks so cute, girly and whatnot. Next I'm gonna style a summer dress. I'm so digging for animal prints these days and that too wild ones. Layered it with this brown crop blazer. This blazer joined my favorite list recently because look at that collar. This is what I always look for in my clothes. Uniqueness. I love pairing boots with skirts and dresses. It looks so cool. You can rewear your summer dresses during winters by adding such blazers or coats, cardigans. Here this dress doesn't even look like a dress, it actually looks like a skirt. Actually wore this outfit outside. I don't have pictures but I love the look of it. It is too good. For the next outfit I wore this sweater vest which is shiny as you can see. I wore it on top of a white shirt and I didn't tuck in the shirt as it looks good when worn this way as the shirt has a properly defined end. Paired with black jeans, heels and a bag. This outfit is perfect for office parties. It looks formal yet party appropriate because of the vest. I paired the same vest with a red wrap skirt. This is going to be a party outfit. Layered it with a black blazer. Here the sleeves of the blazer are unique and though they are sheer, as you are wearing a sweater vest inside, it will keep you warm. Completed the look with red boots and bag. You can wear this for office parties as well. Red is my favorite pop of color and I think it looks good on anyone. This outfit is quite unique. Moving on, for the next outfit, I chose this purple pullover. The fabric of this is too soft and comfy. Paired it up with this beautiful pleated skirt and tucked it in. I wore sneakers here to give it a casual look, but you can definitely go for heels and dress it up a little bit. It will look cute in both ways. And finally completed it with this cute white bag which is actually a gift from my best friend. I like how the white bag and sneakers go with each other and make this a cute casual outfit. This skirt actually has some tiny purple flowers on it and that is the reason I chose it to pair it up with the pullover. Overall this look is so comfortable and cute. From here on we are going completely ethnic. I wore this white kurta with white pants and layered it up with this lovely purple cardigan. This is quite oversized. You can definitely leave it as is but I'm going to add a waist belt to give it a defined look. I chose this belt because the kurta has some silver flower prints on it. So styling it with a silver belt looks more put together. But I also wanted to show you that silver belt and golden necklace together actually looks pretty cool. At least to me. This kurta is quite simple. So for the kurtas like this, you can choose some jacket, coat or a cardigan which stands out. In this outfit, the star is the cardigan. In order to make it stand out, you can pair it with simple and solid kurtas. And for kurtas which has some good design on it, I already told you the trick, right? For the next outfit, I chose this simple yet elegant green kurti and paired it with black pants. As you can see, this kurti has pink buttons and pipings. So layered it up with this thick and warm ethnic jacket. This is actually quite thick, you guys. The reason why I wore black pants even though the kurti has pink detailings on it is because of the jacket. It has black flowers, so in order to go with it, I chose black pants. The same logic of last outfit applies here. The star is the jacket, hence the simple kurti. But the color combination of green and pink is evergreen. Completed it with black heels and black bag. Such ethnic jackets can also be worn on top of saris and they look really sophisticated. Switch to this beautiful chikankari kurta. As it has beautiful work on it, I wore a white cardigan inside the kurta and wore this white pants. This actually looks nothing different than a summer outfit, but you know that you wore a warmer inside and definitely not feeling the cold. The kurta has a collared neck, so I didn't feel the need of a muffler. But if your kurtas doesn't have a collar, then you can definitely go for a muffler or a stole. But for me, if my arms are covered, I don't feel that cold. Next, I again stole my brother's kurta and paired it with black pants. I actually look like a Telugu movie villain here with the oversized kurta and that golden necklace. As the sleeves are quite oversized, I used a hairband to fold them as you can see in the clip. Placed my mother's shawl and belted it up. This shawl has maroon thread work on it, so it goes perfectly with the kurta. As it's a men's kurta, it doesn't have a defined structure to it, so adding a waist belt gives it a proper structured look. Completed the look with black heels and a black bag. So that's it. You can steal your brother's or dad's kurta and make an outfit out of it. If you are short of kurtas, then definitely try it out. Men can't wear our clothes but we definitely can. So just go for it. Next is a sari outfit. I wore this maroon peplum jacket as a top. It's a winter jacket, so definitely gonna keep you warm. And to go with the color, I chose this cream sari of my mom, which has maroon print on it. Wore the pallu on the right side instead of the left. I twisted the pallu once before placing it on the right shoulder. Wore a bindi, simple agate pendant. These pendants are so in trend these days. And maroon jhumkis. You can style your winter jackets with saris and they look so cool. For the last outfit, I wore this mint green cardigan as a blouse because this sari has mint green print on it. The trick here is to style the sari with any coat, cardigan, warmer or a turtleneck which has some similar color or contrasting color that goes perfectly with the sari. I didn't feel like going for heavy jewelry as I wanted a simple look for this sari, or maybe I was too exhausted by the end of the day to wear any heavy jewelry. You can clearly see it on my face, right? I just had to shoot this in one day because of my office commitments. Let me know which outfit did you like the most. We'll meet you guys next time. Until then, take care. Bye.